Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing a game called Scary Chicken. This chicken is very suspicious. But anyway guys, today I'm going to be playing as this little fox right here. And this chicken is going to try and eat us because we're trying to collect these Eggos right up here. And you have a time limit. And upon you finish the game. I finished the game at school like in 23 seconds, and then I filmed, and then I did it in 30 seconds. So, okay guys, let's play this. So the whole logic of the game is to get all the chicken's eggs without him catching you, or she, whatever, without the chicken catching you and eating you alive possibly. So I think I passed this, I don't know, I passed this game before, and I have a strategy to it. Let's see. Oh wait, I'm like constantly looking at the video and looking at this, so this is hard. Okay, I'm still going. Dang it, I'm like getting, It's cause like I'm filming and I'm doing this and it's just frustrating. Let's see. Okay, you jump there. Hold on, let me move the mouse, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh my god, I'm forgetting to jump at this part. The part's getting me triggered because I'm like literally filming and it's just hard. Okay. 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 Okay, guys. So I finally made it to this part without dying. Okay. So there is my, I think it's like my fourth, and I just, what? Okay. So the last part where you get the fourth egg, the game becomes, oh no, something's happening with my game. Hold on. My thing is like, okay, something's going on here. Oh, okay, now it's like, now it's finally doing it right, because I was like, wait, what is wrong with the game? Okay. Dang it. I wish I had a stand so I can just play this. But then I don't want to get it right now because that would be a fail. Okay. Okay. Okay, so as you see, guys, the chicken starts to become a lot angry in this version. In this part of the game. So I'm gonna try and pass this. Okay, don't get me. Okay. Dang it. Okay, guys. Okay, so I almost made it. So I think the strategy for that part is to like kind of like go like this. Oh, and the chicken just got me. So the strategy is to like, you know, go back and forth, because like once you see the chicken starting to fly, you can't jump, because then you're gonna end up hitting the chicken. Okay, go that way. Thank you. Out of my way. Oops. Dang it! Oh my god, I need a stand for this. Oh my god. Okay. But I can do this with one hand. It's just like a lot of times I have my other hand on the key thing, the keyboard. Let's see. Okay. Oh my god, my hand's like literally shaking right now, guys. Because I want to pass this. Okay. Done. I win the game, guys. So that's basically the game, guys. You just get the eggs and you just keep playing over and over and over until you win. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me playing Scary Chicken. I love the game. It's fun to play every once in a while, but sometimes it might get a little bit boring because you just keep playing the levels over and over and over again. Yeah. So anyway, guys, yeah, that is it, and I will see you later.